Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about the future of data rooms for investors, AI, blockchain and beyond. Data rooms are essential for tool for investors, but they can be time consuming and expensive to manage. New technologies such as artificial intelligence and blockchains have the potential to revolutionize data rooms and make more efficient, secure and affordable for investors. How AI can be used to improve my data rooms. Automatic taxing. AI can be used to automate tasks such as document indexing, data analysis, question answering. This can free up investors' time to focus on more important tasks such as due diligence and decision making. Provide insights. AI can be used to provide investors with insights into data room. In a data room, for example, AI can be used to identify trends, patterns, and anomalies in the data. This can help investor to make more informed investment decision. Personalizing the experience. AI can be used to personalize the experience for each investor. For example, AI can be used to recommend documents to investor based on their interest and needs. How blockchains can be used to improve data rooms. Improving security. Blockchain can be used to improve the security of data rooms by making it more difficult to hack or the tamper with the data. Improving transparency. Blockchain can be used to improve the transparency of data rooms by making it easier to track who has access data and when. Then reducing cost. Blockchain can be used to reduce the cost of data rooms by eliminating the need for intermediaries. Other technologies that could impact the future of the data rooms. Natural language processing. NLP can be used to improve the search and retrieval capabilities of data rooms. For example, NLP can be used to make it easier for investors to find a specific information in a data room. Machine learning can be used to improve the security and insight capabilities of data rooms. For example, machine learning can be used to identify and flag suspicious activity in a data room. Internet of Things device can use to collect data about the activity in the data room. This data can be used to improve the security and insight capabilities of data rooms. Last conclusions. The future of data rooms for investors is bright. New technologies such as AI, blockchains, and NLP have the potential to revolutionize data rooms and make them more efficient, secure, and affordable for investors. As these technologies continues to develop, we can expect to see a number of new and innovative data room solutions emerge. These solutions will make it easier for investors to access, and that's all everyone. Hope you will understand this topic. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.